Hello everyone and welcome to the video. So tomorrow I officially start sixth form, so I thought I'd do like a bit of a haul of some of the clothes and stationery I bought and then do like a pack my bag with me. First of all, I'm going to start with the stationery and stuff like that I've bought. First things first is folders. So I'm starting with 4 A-levels with the plan of dropping one by October half term. So I'm starting with 4, hence why I've got 4 folders. Although this one is much smaller than I was expecting, so I'm just hoping that one's okay for geography. But I ordered them online because I've been on holiday for the past week and I wouldn't have had time to go out before. So everything's from Amazon. These aren't actually gonna come into school with me. These are gonna stay at home, but I'll show you what folder I will bring into school, because those folders are just like way too big to fit in my bag, especially if I've got all 3 lessons and I need 3 folders. That's not gonna work. The next thing I've got is just plastic wallets to put in them folders, to put like sheets or papers or whatever I need to put in the folders. I think there's about 400 in here, which will last me. I say that will last me. It will definitely keep me going. I don't know if the whole pack's gonna go over. I'm gonna need more. I probably will end up needing more with the amount of stuff I'm gonna get given. But yeah, keeping with the theme of folders, I bought this as my day folder, and on the inside it's just got like 6 different compartments. So my plan is this is gonna come in my bag every day, and I'm just gonna keep sheets in here that I need for the day or week. But I'm gonna have because I'm doing 4 subjects, each subject's gonna have a compartment, but 2 of my subjects I believe I have 2 teachers, so it'd be 1 for each subject teacher, and that will fill up the 6. Next up, I just got 2 packs of these Zebra Biro pens. I absolutely love these pens, but I have so many pens left over from last year, so I didn't go crazy with the amount of pens I bought. But I just got these as top-ups. And then these pencil cases came in a pack of 2, so I just got the pack of 2. I think it was only about £7 anyway. And then if one ends up breaking, I've got a spare one, but this is what I'm going to use for my pencil case. The next thing I got is just a pack of highlighters. These can just come in really handy whenever revising or looking at key information or whatever. I know I use these a lot in sociology at GCSE for like item questions or whatever, so a pack of highlighters always comes in handy. A staple in my pencil case for the past 5 years is one of these folding rulers, because I hate short rulers, and a long ruler never fits in my pencil case, and I can't be able to just have it in my bag. So a folding ruler. I've also had to invest into a new calculator that cost me like 30 odd quid, because I'm doing A-level maths, so I need a different calculator than the one I had at GCSE, but that's not arrived yet. It's arriving either on Wednesday or Thursday, so I'm just gonna hope I don't have a maths lesson in the time before it arrives. I believe that's everything new I've bought, but you'll see everything else in my pack my bag with me. And then moving on to a couple of clothes I've bought. I already had quite a few bits that I could wear for sixth form, so I didn't go on a massive shopping spree because I already had loads and I didn't think it would be worth it if I already had stuff. So I just bought a few little staple bits that will pretty much I can wear any time of year. First thing is the portofino dresses from elles Boutique. I have them in about 3-4 different colours. They're like knee length and they're quite a thick material, but because they're short sleeved, you can wear them in summer, but because it's thick you can also wear it in winter, and these just look so smart. So that is one thing that you will definitely see me wearing a lot of. Love these. Next up in my staples for clothes, I've got like 3 of these black pencil skirts, because these go with any top, any shirt, any jumper. Again, you can wear them in winter with tights, or in the summer if it's hot with socks. Go with absolutely everything, and they will come in very handy, I think. And last thing, as like a staple to have, I have these Zara trousers in this colour, and I've got the black as well. Just look really nice on, and again, go with like any top any shirt, so again will come in very handy. I think that's everything for clothes, so let's pack my bag. So I think I'm going to use my blue Longchamp bag. It has still got my tag on it. It's got a Jet2 tag on it from when I went to Malaga for the pre-season game. That needs to come off. So something I always have in my bag is this bag organiser, because when you have a massive bag that's just one big massive pocket, this can come in really handy because it's got so many smaller pockets to organise your stuff. That is my ticket from when I went to Cheltenham. We'll ignore that. That is going to go in my bag because it comes in so handy. First thing to put in my bag is my zip card and my AirPods, because I will be getting the train to and from school. I think I'm going to keep these two in this pocket here, just so they don't get lost in the rest of the bag. And the next thing I'm going to put in is my day folder. I don't have any lessons tomorrow. I don't start lessons until Wednesday, which again, I come in late, so we come in at break time, so I only have one lesson because Wednesday session 3 is always enrichment and they never start it on the first week. So that is, I've got a very short week to say the least, because I start at 9:30 tomorrow and it's like we don't have any lessons, and then I start at 11. Well, my first lesson's at 11 on Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday is practically the weekend. So what I'm trying to say is I'm putting this in my bag just so it's in there for when I do start lessons. I think I get my timetable tomorrow, so I'll keep that in here as well. The next thing I'm going to pack is probably essential, is my pencil case. I probably wouldn't get very far without this in sixth form, so that's going in. The next is a little essential kit. This has body spray, hairbands, bobby pins, a claw clip, sanitary products, you name it, it's probably in here. Just in case I forget something, I always have this as backup. I might add other stuff I realise I need in here at a later point, but I think this is all I need for now. I'm also going to add a hairbrush in, but it doesn't fit in here, so that will just go in somewhere in the bag organiser. And so I don't forget them, my glasses are going straight in my bag rather than me putting them on in the morning, because I will forget them otherwise, and because they're clear, sometimes I can't remember where I put them down and I can't see them, so they're going to go straight in my bag before I forget. I believe that is everything I need for tomorrow, because I don't have any exercise books yet and I don't have any lessons, so I think that's all I'm going to need. My water bottle will also go in here, but that's downstairs and empty. I'll fill it up in the morning, but I will put that in the morning once it's actually got water in it and I actually need it. But anyways, that is everything. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.